Xiaomi launched their 13 series smartphones, Xiaomi Buds 4 Pro as well as the Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro. But that's not all. They also showcased some really cool products that you might feel came straight out of a science fiction film. First up are the Xiaomi Cyber One and CyberDog robots. The Xiaomi Cyber One is a humanoid robot that is 177 centimeters tall and weighs 52 kg. It comes with a dual-tone white-black color scheme with the Cyber One branding on its torso. The robot can display information through its curved OLED display that acts as its head. The brand also showcased the CyberDog, a bio-inspired quadruped robot. It weighs 3 kg, has 4 legs, and has a maximum walking speed of up to 3.2 meters per second. The CyberDog is powered by NVIDIA's Jetson Xavier NX AI system on module and has a lot of cameras and sensors for obstacle avoidance and guidance. Both these robots offer a glimpse at new potential use cases for automation in the future. Next, we have the Xiaomi Wireless AR Glass Discovery Edition. This pair of glasses can eliminate the need for the bulky VR headsets we use today. They weigh 126 grams and can connect with a smartphone wirelessly. They have 2 cameras on the front to recognize gestures and actions and run on the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 1 platform. These glasses use micro OLED screens to deliver content to the wearer, and they can get as bright as 1200 nits. They are said to be optimized to function with third-party apps like TikTok and YouTube. For home entertainment, Xiaomi showcased their laser projector as well as some new models in their TV lineup. The Xiaomi laser projector comes in a dual-tone color and can produce a display size of up to 150 inches. This is a short-throw projector and can be placed near the screen or wall itself. Xiaomi showcased their TV Master OLED 77-inch, the ES Pro 86-inch, and TV Q2 65-inch televisions. Lastly, one of the most quirky products that Xiaomi showcased at the event was their electric scooter 4 Ultra. It's made of aluminium and has a matte finished black color. The 10-inch tires that this scooter uses are said to be puncture proof, and Xiaomi claims this scooter can reach a maximum speed of up to 25 km per hour. It is also said to run on just about any terrain as per the brand. It can carry loads up to 120 kg and is also IP55 rated. That's it for our first look at products that we felt stood out from Xiaomi's showcase at MWC 2023. Do let us know what you think about them in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed to our social channels so you don't miss all our MWC coverage live from the show floor.